Hey guys, I am Dr. Jonathan Abenheim. Today I'm going to give you a little tour of our facility. Follow me. So here's our hospitality room. This is the first part when you come into our practice. You'll get to meet our treatment coordinator and our patient coordinator, but follow me through. Let's go. And this is our consult room. This is where you'll have some privacy. This is where we'll go over all of your treatment and really design everything that you've always wanted for your smile. This is the room. This is where the first day of your life starts. This is where all the magic happens. This is our surgery room where we have our anesthesiologists and basically where the surgery happens and you get your new smile in one day. This here is our milling room. This is where we make all of the teeth. You can actually take a quick look. We have teeth being made right now. And this is how we have the ability to make the teeth really quick so you don't have to wait weeks, if not months, to have your teeth done. This is our final smile room. This is where we put your new smile in. This is where you get to look at our famous mirror so you can see yourself for the first time so that it's the first day for the rest of your life. This is my teaching facility where we teach our patented process to doctors from all over the world so that they can help their patients just like we help you guys. This is the lab. This is where I sit and create your smile for you, customized for you with all of these special colors. This is our 3D printing area. This is where we have the ability to prototype your smile right away in as fast as 20 minutes. And we can actually get your smile exactly the way you want with multiple versions till you're happy. And that's it. That's my facility. Don't wait. Let's go. Let me change your smile and make you feel the way that you've always wanted to.